everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind a lot lately. The impact of social media on our mental health. As a content creator myself, I know firsthand how important social media is for building a brand and connecting with others. However, it can also be a major source of stress and anxiety, especially for those who are just starting out on platforms like YouTube. As a beginner on YouTube, one of the biggest challenges is the pressure to gain a large number of likes, views, and subscribers. It's easy to feel like our worth as creators is tied to our success on the platform, and this constant pursuit of likes and views can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. In fact, this pressure can even lead to burnout and depression for some creators who spend hours every day creating content and promoting their channel, only to see minimal engagement. So, how can we combat the negative impact of social media on our mental health? Well, the first step is to focus on creating meaningful content that aligns with our values and passions. When we create content that has a purpose and brings value to others, it gives us a sense of accomplishment and pride, regardless of the number of likes or views. Another way to promote healthy social media habits is to take breaks from the platform and engage in other activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Hobbies, spending time with loved ones, and other forms of self-care are essential for avoiding burnout and maintaining a healthy perspective on our work. Finally, it's important to remember that social media doesn't define our worth as individuals. Success on social media is often driven by factors beyond our control, such as algorithmic changes or popular trends. Instead, we should focus on our own goals and passions, rather than comparing ourselves to others on the platform. So, to all the beginners out there, I want to remind you that social media can have a serious impact on your mental health and well-being. But by focusing on creating meaningful content, taking breaks from the platform, and remembering that social media doesn't define your worth, you can maintain a healthy and sustainable relationship with it. I hope this video has been helpful and inspiring to you, and I'll see you in the next one.